Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I thought to make a very quick but delicious video. I am making some Krusteaz Protien Muffin mix and I got these from influencer complimentary just for trying purposes. I already tried the blueberry one and I already shared all the details on my Instagram. You can go and check, but we loved it so much that I thought to make a video and share this quick video while I'm making the banana nut muffin one. So I will talk more about them, but before that let's start making them. The first step is to line the muffin tray, which I already did, and I already preheated my oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So first I take a large mixing bowl and I am cracking 3 eggs, which is on the package instruction, and package instructions are so clearly written, so you just have to follow the package instructions. That's what I am doing, just cracking all 3 eggs in there. Now I'm adding some half a cup of cooking oil and 3/4 cups of water. As I said, these are all written on the package and I'm just following the package recipe. Now for muffins, you don't overmix any batter, otherwise your muffin will come out tougher. So just to avoid that overmixing, I'm just mixing very lightly all these ingredients. There you go. Now I'm just adding this banana nut muffin mix, and we need to mix this until it's just blended. Again, we are not supposed to be over mixing this, but if you follow us, you know my family, we love chocolate, so I thought to add a little bit of semi-sweet chocolate chips in there. This will enhance the taste, and we always love banana chocolate muffins or banana chocolate bread. I already shared a double chocolate banana bread, if you guys remember, and my family loved that bread. So I'm just mixing everything until it's just combined, just folding this flour in the eggs and milk and oil mixture. So as soon as it's completely mixed, as I already said like a couple of times, do not over mix. I was thinking to add a little bit of extra chopped walnuts because I love walnuts, but as I'm mixing, I hope you guys can see, there are these big chunks of like walnuts, and I can smell the banana. I think they are like dried banana pieces in there too. So yes, it's completely mixed now. I'll bring my muffin tray, and this one box makes 12 regular size muffins or 24 mini muffins. Now I'll take you can take a scoop and scoop them. I'll take a large tablespoon and I equally divide them into my 12 muffin cups. Now if I talk about the Krusteaz, these protein pack mix, and I already told you guys that I already tried the blueberry muffin one first. I love the packaging. This new packaging is so cool. Then the protein mix have that gritty bland flavor, and fortunately these muffin mix, when I tried the blueberry one, my kids didn't tell that it had some protein powder or anything extra packed protein in there. It didn't have any that blendy gritty taste in there. It tastes delicious. I added a little bit of chocolate chips in there as well, and they're extra wild blueberry kind of blueberries which I added. Just go and check out my Instagram. I already made a highlight for that and I already have a post for you guys. And another important thing is it's 100% whole grain flour, so it's guilt-free and it's amazing for after school snack. Ishel, my elder one, she is loving them, and for her breakfast with a cup of milk. They just warm it up for 10 seconds in the microwave and they're ready to go. And no artificial flavors, no artificial color or preservative. So it's everything good and it tastes amazing. So let's put this one aside and I'll fill up the rest and then I'll see you guys in a while. So I filled up all those 12 muffin cavities. I'm just dividing the leftover batter into these muffin pan. I'll just clean the sides of the pan, all those mess which I make, and then I put them in the oven for, let's see, for 16 to 18 minutes, or until top is brown. And let's see how they turn out. Look at these guys, they just came out of the oven. They are still very hot. You can see that crusty golden top. They came out a little higher because I overfilled them, and I did that because my muffin trays are slightly smaller than the regular one. Now what's better than a warm muffin came fresh out of oven? I'm actually going out right now to run some errands. And before that, oh, look at this there. It's like, that's what I was talking about on my Instagram post when I was baking the blueberry muffin. They came out perfect, like texture wise. The crusty dome top of a muffin, and I can show you from inside. Oh, look at those melty chocolate chips. That's what we love. Look at this. You can see the smooth caramel. And look at this spongy texture. And again, if you overmix them, they will get hard and tough from inside and chewy. So that's the main thing of a muffin, of whatever recipe you are following. And I will give it a try in front of you guys. Trust me guys, the flavor, it's not that overpowering, the banana flavor, but it has that banana like taste in there. Look at this, so spongy, soft. They are delicious. Please go and check out my other Instagram post as well. I will post about these as well. I will rave about them. Oh, and one more thing, they don't only have these two flavors. So this is all the range, the complete range. And since I already mentioned that I got this complimentary from influencer, and just for trying purposes, but I am heading to Walmart, and my kids are eyeing on the chocolate chip muffins while I am eyeing on the buttermilk flavor pancakes. So yeah, please go and check out my other Instagram posts about other crusty blueberry muffin, and go and head over to Walmart and try these muffin mixes. And once again, thank you so much for watching.